Okay, you guys, I have not been around for a while singing on YouTube. So I decided to just do a little something. I'm sick as a dog, but doing it anyway, okay? Don't judge me. No, just playing. But I am sick, but it's all good. I am going to be singing just a few little numbers just to, get some things out there and plant a few little seeds here and there. So the first song I'm going to be singing a little bit of is Don't Speak by No Doubt. Sung in a few places around the city of Philadelphia, and it's gotten a pretty good, response. So I decided to share with my YouTube family and see what you guys, liked it. Please leave me some comments. Anyway, here we go. You and me, we used to be together every day together, always. Well, it really feels like we're losing best friend. Can't believe this could be the end. Well, it looks as though you're letting go. If it's real, then I don't want to know. Oh, don't speak. I know what you're saying. So please stop explaining. Don't you tell me 'cause it hurts. No, don't speak. I know what you're saying. So please stop explaining. Don't you tell me 'cause it hurts of memories. Well, they can be exciting, or someone altogether might be frightening. Well, last time both you and I, with my head in my hands, I sit and cry. Oh, don't speak. I know what you're thinking. So please stop explaining. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. No, don't speak. I know what you're saying. I don't need your reason. Don't you tell me 'cause it hurts. Don't you tell me 'cause it hurts. Hey, you guys. Thanks for listening.